Hello friends, thanks for clicking and welcome back to the grammar lesson. I am Malinder. Okay, today we are going to look at how to use word each and every correctly in English. Actually, a lot of people are confused the difference between these two words because they are similar to each other, but in most of cases we cannot use them interchangeably. Okay, let's look at first how to use word each. Actually, what does each mean? Each refers to an individual object or person. It does not consider all unit. It denotes individual object. That is to say, by using word each, we can indicate one by one meaning. Okay, everyone, let's go through some example to get better understand about how to use word each. Okay, everyone, look at these examples. Study each sentence carefully. Each player played well. Each of the children received a gift. In a football match, each team has 11 players. Okay, let's consider first example. Study each sentence carefully. Here we use word each. It indicates individual or one by one meaning. That is to say, study one by one sentence carefully. But when we say study every sentence carefully, it means whole unit. It doesn't indicate individual object. Okay, let's go through the second example. Each player played well. Okay, in this example I'm talking about individual performance because of I used word each. It means one by one player played well, but when we say every player, it figure out to the whole unit, not a specify individual player. Okay, look at the next one. Each of the children received a gift. Okay, here we use each of because here noun children is plural. Remember, when we use plural noun, we use each of phrase to indicate individual object. It means it emphasizes individual children rather than emphasizing whole unit. Okay, look at the next one. In a football match, each team has 11 players. Here also we use word each to indicate individual team has 11 players. Okay, when we consider this whole example, it's clear we use each to refer an individual object or person rather than emphasizing whole unit. Okay, now let's consider how to use word every. Word every we use to talk about a large number and talking about whole as a unit. In other words, it refers to a group of objects or people which act as a unit. It doesn't emphasize individual person object. Okay, let's go through some example to get better understand about how to use word every. Look at this example. I have read every book in the library. Every house in the town is painted white. Every student passed the exam. Okay, let's consider first example. I have read every book in the library. Okay, here why do we use every? Because I want to emphasize this all book as a unit. Not I am talking about individual book, but when I say I have read each book in the library, it emphasizes individual book or one by one meaning. Okay, look at the next one. Every house in the town is painted white. Okay, here also we use word every to indicate whole unit, not individual house. Because there may be a lot of houses in the town, actually we cannot count them, it's an indefinite amount, therefore better to use word every to denote whole unit. Okay, look at the next one. Every student passed the exam. Here also word every indicate whole unit. This whole student has act as a whole unit, so therefore we used word every. Okay, everyone, remember when we use this word every, it talked about large number and also it indicate group of object or people which act as a unit. Okay, everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about how to use word each and every correctly in English. I hope that you learned something about how to use word each and every. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.